All right, so we have our HTML, we have our CSS. Let's add a little bit of JavaScript, just as an exercise to show how it all fits together. So for our JavaScript, we're going to add script tags. Whoop, you got to spell it right. Open and closing. And our script tags, for now, they can go right in the head up here. And I'm going to write a little bit of JavaScript. Let's give that one a try. I want you to do that, save it, and refresh it. What you should get is this "I'm annoying" kind of thing, right? It's so annoying. And then you click it and it goes away. But I'll refresh again. There it is. Whoa. This is JavaScript. It's a really kind of simple little example. But what JavaScript is it's the behavior of our site. It's how things behave and move and animate on the site. Okay. So yeah, this is just one kind of quick example. Okay. So to recap, HTML gives meaning to our content. CSS gives style to our content. And JavaScript is the behavior. It's how our content behaves, animates, moves around the page. We use all three of these languages at the same time, as you've seen. And these are the three front-end languages. There's only ever going to be three. Now, a kind of quick shorthand way to remember this, or to explain it to someone who maybe doesn't know, is you can think of HTML is the nouns of the page. CSS is the adjective, and JavaScript is like the verb. Let me give you an example. So I've been coding now for about 12 years. I've been a developer, I've worked at agencies, all that kind of stuff. And one of the most popular requests that I've had working on any project has been to make the logo bigger. Now, the client comes, rings my phone, or sends me an email. Can you make that logo a little bit bigger or move it around or something? When they're asking this, what happens in my head as a developer, just kind of quickly, is I think about the logo as being the HTML, right? The logo is the image, it's the noun of the page. And making it bigger is going to have to be going in and affecting the CSS. Get it? All right, now I'm going to give you one. Now, here's another request. Hey, Chris, can you make that gray heading fade in? What do you think here? What would be the noun of the page? The heading, right? The heading, because that's the thing. The heading is the thing. Fading in, the idea of it moving in and out, that's the verb, that's the JavaScript, and the CSS, yeah, that's the color. So this is a shorthand that you can use to help you remember the difference between HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.